On today's episode, we're talking all about how to market your service business so you can get more leads, more clients, and more sales. Let's get to it. Hey there, and welcome to the Modern Marketing Show. My name is Erhart, Modern Marketing Strategist, and this is the place where we help you make marketing that matters. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing. Now today we're talking all about the strategies and the tactics behind marketing your service-based business. So, seeing as you have a business to run, let's get right to them with 5 of my absolute best strategies to grow your business. The first and most important thing you need to do when trying to grow and trying to market your service-based business is to prioritize marketing. And that means giving marketing the respect it deserves. Now, obviously, you already understand how important marketing is. After all, you're here watching this video right now. But the important thing is you want to carry on this trend and continue it through all of your business, because when it comes to growing and marketing a service-based business, well, there's obvious differences between services and products. Namely, when we're talking about services, we don't have that physical or tangible thing that we can show our prospects. So we rely on marketing in order to convey the benefits and the value that our business provides. And the way we convey this value is with marketing. So for this reason, step number 1 is to continue on the trend that you're currently on by prioritizing marketing and making sure that it stays an integral and core part of your business moving forward. Alright, so step number 2 is to highlight the end state. And what we're talking about here is what the benefits that your client is going to experience when they do business with your company. So in the same way, when we're talking about selling a physical product, we can actually show them something. Well, when we're talking about service-based businesses, we need to clearly articulate the end state that they're going to experience and all the benefits that they're going to get by doing business with your company. Now, one of the best ways to do this is to fully express all of the benefits that your business provides and making sure to paint it in as clear a picture as possible. Don't be shy here. You want to fully articulate and fully express all the benefits and all the good feelings and positive emotions that they're going to experience after they've done business with you. You see, when it comes to marketing and really selling a service-based business, your customers and clients are going to be at point A and you want to take them to point Z. And essentially, what we want to do here is really fully express all of the emotions, and that's the key there, is really to focus on the emotions that they're going to experience once they've achieved this end state, which you're going to be able to deliver for them. Now, on this same note, where they're at right now is obviously going to be experiencing some level of pain. And it's okay to kind of put a little salt in the wound and at least acknowledge that they've got this pain and that there is a solution to it. Now, when we're talking about the benefits that your business provides and the emotional end state that you want to get them to, well, it's okay as well to reference that initial state, which is likely going to experience some form of pain. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be physical pain that we're talking about, but regardless, for someone to take action and to even seek you out in the first place, they're going to be experiencing some level of pain or discomfort in their life. After all, that's what your business is going to solve. So it's okay here to kind of dwell on it just a little bit and put a little salt in the wound to make it real, to make them feel that pain, and then of course, to express how your business is uniquely positioned to solve it, which leads us nicely into the next point. So step number 3 is to bridge the gap, which is essentially take the pain that they've got, take the solution that you have, and then paint out a clear and simple process to get them there. Now, the better and the more clear and the simpler you're able to spell this process out, the better you're going to do when it comes to marketing your service business. This is because clarity sells. Simple sells, and confusing your customers is one of the fastest ways to lose a sale. So make your process clear, spell it out in as simple a terms as possible, and understand that the customer or the client that you're trying to deal with simply doesn't know as much about your business as you do. So again, really simplify it for them. Now, a bonus tip is if you're able to take the method that you normally walk people through and give it some kind of proprietary name or some kind of signature system, well, that's going to uniquely position you as the sole person who's able to deliver this unique or proprietary methodology. Which means if somebody wants access to your signature system, well, they're going to have to get it from you. So while we're working on bridging the gap from pain to benefit, what you want to do here is start to create content around these topics. This is because the content is going to do much of the heavy lifting for you, whether we're talking about a blog or a video or a podcast, whatever it is, this marketing collateral, marketing assets, or marketing content will help to educate and pre-qualify your customer so that when they show up, they're in a great position and ready to buy. Now, if you've never written or never created content before, I understand it can feel a little overwhelming, so I put together this video right here, which you can get on how to write great content. Moving right along to step number 4, which is go where they are. So at this point of the game, you understand marketing is important, you know the benefits you provide, the pain they have, and you've worked on bridging the gap. So what are you going to do with this content and with this marketing collateral? Well, this is where it's really important to go to the 1, 2, maybe 3 places where your prospects spend their time online. This means if you know your market spends a lot of time on Facebook, then Facebook ads are probably the right place for you. If they watch a lot of videos on YouTube, well, then you may want to consider a YouTube channel. If you're in the B2B market, well, then LinkedIn may not be a bad place to spend some of your time and put some of your content. And if they're frequent consumers of podcasts, well, it might be a good time to pull out that microphone and polish up your best DJ voice. Regardless, the key to successful marketing and to connecting with your market is to make sure that you're in alignment across your market, your message, and your media. And that means going where they are. And that leads us nicely to step number 5, which is to over-deliver. The key here is to make sure you really knock it out of the park for your clients by way over delivering and exceeding their expectations. This in turn is going to lead to repeat business, referrals, and far more revenue for your company. Now, rather than go into it now, if you're looking to get great results for your clients, I put together this video here on how to get great results for your clients. So you may want to check it out. After this one, of course. Finally, for some more additional tips that we didn't have a chance to cover here today, you may want to check out this video right here, which is titled How to Get More Clients, and probably not surprisingly, will help you get more clients for your service-based business. So there you have it, the 5 simple steps to grow your service-based business and help you get more revenue, more sales, more leads, and more customers. Number 1, prioritize your marketing. Number 2, highlight the end state. Number 3, bridge the gap. Number 4, go where they are. And number 5, over-deliver. Put those all together and you'll have a business that's overflowing with clients just begging to buy from you. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for a future video, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And I'll catch you next time on The Modern Marketing Show.